What's going on, guys? Today is a very exciting day. I'm very excited for today's video. I'm gonna be doing about a 6-inch fender flares instead of these little tiny guys that don't fit any of the wheels. I'm also very excited because today is gonna be a little bit warmer and not gonna be freezing while I work in the shop. So it's still a little cold right now, but it's gonna warm up as the day goes. But yeah, I'm very excited. I'm stoked that I found these guys. When I was getting the setup done, I thought these were about the biggest that I can find, but then I ran into these bad boys, as you can see, kind of for reference. Now I'll be able to duck all my wheels. So might look a little wonky, but I'm very excited to, especially on this side, it'll help out a lot. So yeah, I'm also going to be taking advantage of having the fenders off. I'm going to go ahead and finalize my fuse and relay panel here. I'm going to use, permanent hardware instead of some self-tappers. I'm going to build some covers for it. So I'm going to build a cover to cover this up in case anything leaks, doesn't get covered in oil or coolant or anything like that. I also moved the overflow to the other side. I also went ahead and built a new intake setup since I don't need the MAP sensor anymore, and I'm gonna also take advantage of having this fender off to build some plates to block some of these holes off and kind of build a plate separate this intake setup here, so I'll have the filter there so it's not just sucking hot air, so it's just be where the fender is. But yeah, I'm stoked on this heat wrap, looking very aerospace. Elon Musk, holla at me. So yeah, I'm very excited for a little bit warmer weather, and I've been waiting to put these fender flares on. They are a little bit bigger than I thought they were gonna be, but with how these came out a little short, I wanted to just get the biggest ones. The other thing I don't like about these is like the style of them. I like more of like a classic style that kind of gets narrower, just like these are, where it's narrow and then it gets bigger. But the classic ones that they had were a little too small for what I thought I needed, but they might have worked. But this is what I ended up getting, and this also kind of fits with the whole theme of the car being kind of like muscle style. So I think with a little bit of work today, having a little bit of warmer weather, I think I can make it come out to be decent. So yeah, this driver's side is gonna come out looking a little bit different than the other side, because this kind of like over here is banged in, so this tire is showing a little bit more. So I think this side will look better with these really wide guys. But yeah, we'll get it started. I'm very excited and see how it comes out. So gonna go ahead and take these fenders off. Well, first I'm gonna mock up these fender flares, the new ones. I might have to put some Bondo on the old holes and cover them up, so when I go paint it, it'll be a lot cleaner. And then yeah, once that mock-up is done, I'll take off the fenders, mount them permanently, put them back on, and then while they're off, I will do all these other things that I have to do, mounting the fuse relay with permanent hardware and getting that intake sight set up as well. So Alright guys, so as you can see I got the driver's side done here. Alright, these things are humongous. The stance is alright. If I get like a 10mm spacer, it'll be flush. When I mocked it up, it was pretty flush, but I guess once I mounted it on, and it comes with these rubber piece here so it seals, so it kind of pushed it out a little bit. I'm still thinking I might cut it out from over here and kind of come this way, make them look like the old ones that I have. Just be more of my style, but yeah, I mean the wheel now fits, so it's a lot better than what it was before, just sticking out like crazy. If I take it outside, I'll get some better shots from it, but yeah, 10mm spacer would help out here. It all depends how this side ends up being, but look at the difference. Oh, I had to take this flare out. I had to steal some of the hardware for something else, but I also went ahead and made that cover for all the electronics. They're all in there, so yeah, nice little cover here. This is it for heat purposes. It's just so it's not, you know, shorting anything out in there on the inside. Nothing should be shorted out, but just kind of an extra measure, and kind of looks cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this other side done real quick and see how it comes out. So just gonna do a quick YouTube snap, and here it is, guys. Looks pretty mean on this side. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna kind of cut this and make it kind of narrower towards the end. I think it'll look a lot better, but yeah, pretty excited, pretty happy how it came out. Might cut the back as well, so it'll be like kind of more narrow, come over here, but I want to do it right, so I'm gonna take my time one day and finish that up. Yeah, this is it for these big ass fender flares video. I'm gonna mess with the Holly for a little bit, see if I can, you know, get this thing to drive outside a little bit so I can get some better angles. It's pretty tight in here. I can't really I don't have much space to be able to get better shots, but yeah, this is it for this video. If I can get some more shots, I'll include them at the end. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like. If you didn't, dislike. Consider subscribing to stay tuned with this build and with the drives that are coming up. Gonna be dyno tuning this pretty soon, and yeah, the season's coming up pretty quick, so probably within the next few weeks here. So yeah, if you want to stay tuned for that, subscribe. If not, it's all good. So catch you in the next one. Peace.